Hello, this is Brandon Burton with Chamber Chat Podcast. I wanted to take just a couple of minutes to introduce you to a great company called Swypit, who is a partner of Chamber Chat Podcast and is offering a great affinity program to help increase your non-dues revenue at your chamber. Quick overview of Swypit. They've been in the credit card processing industry for more than 20 years. They are nationally recognized, actively support chambers, associations, and franchise partnerships nationwide. Kevin Hodis, who's the president and founder of Swypit, is a 3-time best-selling author. He's been on several nationwide programs, usually promoting his best-selling book, The Truth in Credit Card Processing. The Swypit Affinity program has 2 added value opportunities. One is the chamber payment processing. In a nutshell, Swypit is going to save you money at the chamber. They're going to look at your current cost for credit card processing and will show you what they can do to help you save money there. They also have seamless integration into most chamber database software services, and they will provide you with the credit card terminals and other ways to process credit cards even off-site when you're at different chamber events. And then the Member Affinity program, again in a nutshell, is a way for you to earn non-dues revenue, basically on a commission on the revenue through the credit card processing that your members would produce as they are using the Swypit program. So, quick overview on the benefits for the chamber and for your members. For the chamber, there's non-dues revenue generation, exclusive member-only pricing, increase new member sales, decrease current member attrition, reduce chamber operating costs. There's complimentary equipment, experience program support, and bank neutrality. And then the benefits to the members are pretty big, because there's obviously member-only rates, so they're going to save money and become more profitable right off the bat. Fast setup, and they don't have any application fees to get started. There's free cost-saving analysis, free terminals, which is big. A lot of these other processors are going to lease or sell you terminals, and Swypit provides it to your members for free. Also, they don't require any long-term contracts, which is a big deal. There's enhanced funding options, live support experts, and bank neutrality. So the Affinity program details: you would have a dedicated account manager to work with you in your chamber. This next item I think is huge. Swypit will come out to your chamber for a unique question and answer session where your members RSVP and want to come out and learn what Swypit can do for them to be more profitable. Swypit offers a turnkey marketing materials, including co-branded marketing materials with both Swypit and your chamber information. Swypit will provide website content and referral forms for you to send to your members to refer them to Swypit. There's an introductory letter for members, newsletter content, and exclusively quarterly email blast promotion to let your members know about Swypit and the opportunity there. And of course, Swypit would be a member through this Affinity program, so your members will know that the credit card processor for your Affinity program is a chamber member. So here's what everybody wants to know. What can you make from this Affinity program? Right off the bat, chambers receive 10% of the revenue generated, bottom line. So any revenue that your chamber members, that come through your chamber members, you're going to get 10%. So for example, if you have 500 members, if 80% of those 500 you process credit and debit cards, that would be about 400 members. So of those 400 members, if you were able to get just 10% of them to join the Swypit program each year, that would mean the first year you'd have 40 members. Usually you see between $15 to $30 a month in revenue per customer or per member each month. So that would be 40 members times the lower end, $15 revenue, about $7,200 a year that first year. And then the second year, if you get another 10% of your members to join the Swypit program, that number doubles to a little over 14,000 and continues to grow from there. So huge opportunity. And that volume will continue to increase throughout the life of your relationship with Swypit. So how do you get started? If you go to ChamberChatPodcast.com/cc for credit card, there's a form on there that you can fill out, and a Swypit representative will reach out to you. They will request a recent processing statement so they can give you a comprehensive economic analysis to show you the cost savings that they can provide. Upon approval, Swypit will coordinate and set up the conversion of your existing equipment over to their Swypit equipment. And then the way that the member Affinity program would get started, first of all, I would say as a chamber, get set up yourself first. Make sure Swypit delivers and that they are everything that you're expecting as far as customer service goes. Once you're satisfied, then you can start rolling this out to your members and ask Swypit any additional questions you have about the program, review the internal process for approval with the Swypit representative. There'll be a joint marketing agreement that you fill out, and then you plan and execute the program launch. And then throughout, you evaluate results and see those commissions that you'll receive with that non-dues revenue. Here's Kevin Hodis' contact information. You've got his direct number there, his email address. He's a great guy, and he will get back to you. Again, since this is in partnership with Chamber Chat Podcast, please support the podcast by going to ChamberChatPodcast.com/cc for credit card and fill out the short form there to submit your information for a Swypit representative to reach out to you to help you get swiping with Swypit. Thanks a lot. We'll chat with you again soon.